All right, let's get Stremio installed on your Fire Stick. I'll show you exactly how to do it.
So what exactly is Stremio? Think of it as a media hub for all your movies and shows.
Okay, first things first, you need a free account. Just head over to Stremio's website and hit Login. When you get to the next screen, go ahead and pick the Sign Up with Email option. You know the drill. Pop in your email, create a password, and click that Sign Up button.
And that's it. Your free Stremio account is now created and ready for action. Okay, account's made. Now let's switch to your Fire Stick. You'll need the Downloader app for this part. A quick heads up, make sure you've enabled apps from unknown sources. Then open up Downloader.
Once Downloader is open, you'll see a big URL bar. Just go ahead and click right on it.
So instead of typing a long, messy URL, we're going to use a really simple shortcode code.
Okay, the code is 250931. This is your key to get the right download file.
Once you've got that code typed in, just hit the Go button to move on.
This will bring up a whole list of apps. Just scroll on down until you spot Stremio.
Found it? Great. Now just click the Download button right next to the Stremio app.
Let that download finish up. Then when the little pop-up appears, click Install. Simple as that.
Once it says App installed, and this is important, click Done, not Open. We're not quite finished. Why? Well, it's a good habit to delete the installer file. It'll save you space.
You'll get a prompt asking if you want to remove the file. Just click that Delete button.
It's going to ask you to confirm, so just hit delete one last time and boom, it's gone. Okay, app's installed, file's gone. We're almost there. What's the very last step?
Now for the fun part. Go find Stremio in your list of apps and fire it up. You'll see a code on your screen. This is what links the app to the account we just made.
And you're in! Stremio is now fully installed and linked to your account. Success!
Just one final tip. If you want to keep your streaming private, you should really use a VPN.